Hello students, in today's video we are going to see more questions on angles for year 3 students. Let's get started. Complete the table. Mark all the angles inside each shape. So this is our shape. The first shape we have is a right angle triangle. The number of sides I have to measure, the number of angles I have to measure, the number of right angles I have to measure inside my figure. As you can see that this is our figure. I need to calculate number of sides. How many sides it has? Can we calculate the size first? So this is 1, 2 and 3. So there are total 3 sides. Let's write down the number here. There are 3 sides. I need to calculate number of angles. Can we calculate the angles? How many angles are there? 3, right? 1, 2 and 3 angles inside it. Let's write down the value here. I have to calculate number of right angles. What are right angles? The lines perpendicular to each other. So how many lines you can see which are perpendicular to each other? 1, right? This line and this line is perpendicular to each other. So the right angle is here. So number of right angles are only 1. Let's write down the value here. So the number of right angles are only 1. Let's see our next shape here. This is our shape. I need to calculate number of sides. How many number of sides? 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Let's write down the value here. I need to calculate number of angles. How many number of angles are there? 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles are here. Let's write down the value here. I need to calculate number of right angles. How many right angles are there? 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 because all lines are perpendicular to each other. This is a square. So number of right angles are 4 here. Let's see our next shape. This is our shape. How many number of sides do we have? 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides we have. Let's write down the value here. How many number of angles do we have? 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles we have. Let's write down the value here. I have to find out number of right angles. How many right angles are inside my figure? Is there any right angle? No, right? No lines are perpendicular to each other. That means there is no right angle. Our right angle is 0. Let's see our next shape. This is our shape. How many number of sides do we have? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write down the value here. Can you calculate the number of angles? How many angles do we have? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 angles we have. Let's write down the value here. I need to calculate number of right angles. How many right angles do we have? Can you see any right angle here? No, right? There is no line which is perpendicular to each other, but there is one angle which is perpendicular to each other. As you can see that this line and this line is perpendicular to each other. Not this line and this line, not this line and this line. This line and this line is also not perpendicular to each other. Only perpendicular angle is here. That means there is one angle which is perpendicular to each other. Let's write down the value here. 1. Let's see our next shape here. This is our shape. How many number of sides do we have? 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides do we have. Let's write down the value here, 6. How many numbers of angles do we have? 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 angles we have. Let's write down the value here. How many number of right angles do we have? Can we see that? How many right angles do we have? 0, right? Can we see that? Is this line is perpendicular to this one? No. Is this line perpendicular to this one? No. This line is also not perpendicular to this one. No lines are perpendicular to each one. That means number of right angles are 0 here. Let's write on the value here 0. Let's see our next figure here. This is our figure. I need to calculate the number of sides. How many sides do we have? 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sides we have. Let's write on the value here 12. How many number of angles do we have? Can we calculate the angles? 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 angles we have. Let's write on the value here 12. How many right angles do we have? Can we calculate the right angles? Let's calculate it. So we have one angle is here. I'll just mark it. This is our first angle. This is our second. This is our third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. 8 angles are right angles inside this figure. Do we have any more angle? No, right? We don't have any more angle which is at right angle. We have 8 right angles inside our figure. Let's see what they are asking. The number of sides and the number of angles for each shape is dash. Can we see that here? This is our number of sides and this is our number of angles. They both are same, right? All the values are same. So the number of sides and the number of angles for each shape is same. That will be our answer. The value is same. Let's see one more example. Draw the following on the grid paper below. A 3-sided shape with one right angle that you have to draw it. Let's draw it. Can you draw it first? Let's start it. So I'll start from here. I'll go down till here. Then I will go till here. This is my right angle. I need to make one right angle and it should be 3-sided. So I will join this one. So this is my right angle triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3 sides and it is one angle is right angle here. Let's see one more example here. A 4-sided shape with 2 right angles. Can you draw it? Let's draw it together. I need 4-sided and 2 right angles. So first I'll draw 2 right angles first. So if I draw the line here, I will go like this. I will go like this. So I have drawn 2 right angles here. How many sides I have drawn already? 1, 2 and 3 sides. I need 4 sides. So let's join this. So I will join like this. I have made 4-sided with 2 right angles. There are more ways to draw the figure also. Let's draw one more type. We can start from here. We can make our lines like this. We can draw 2 right angles here and we can join our figure like this also. Again, I have drawn 2 right angles with 4-sided. 1, 2, 3 and 4-sided. Let's see one more example. A 4-sided shape with 4 right angles. Can you draw that? Let's draw it together. I need to draw 4 right angles. 4 right angles are either in a rectangle or in a square. We know that, right? And both figures are 4-sided. Let's draw that. So you can draw any size, but it should be in rectangle form. Both the sides should be different. So one is of 4 units, another one is of 3 units. This is my rectangle with 4-sided and 4 right angles I have. Next, I will draw a square. All the sides are same. So if I go 2 units here, 2 units here, 2 units here and 2 units here. This is my square, again 4-sided, and I have 4 right angles inside that. Let's see one more example. A 5-sided shape with 3 right angles. Now you have to draw 3 right angles. Can we draw it together? Let's start it. We need to draw 3 right angles. First we will draw 3 right angles. So I'll start from here. I'll go like this. I'll go like this. I will go like this. So I have drawn 1, 2 and 3 right angles. Now how many sides do I need? I need 5 sides. How many sides I have already drawn? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides I have already drawn. So what I have to do? I have to just join this to make the 5th side. So let's join it, and this is our 5th side. So this shape is a 5-sided shape with 3 right angles. You can draw it with another shape also. Let's draw that. Let's start from here. This is our line. This is our another line we have. This is our one more line. So we have the angles here 1, 2 and 3 angle we have. We have 3 right angles and I need to join it with my 5th side. How many sides I have already drawn? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. So the 5th side I will join by joining this. Let's join it. This is my 5th side. So you can draw any shape, but it should have 5 sides and 3 right angles. Let's see one more example. A 6-sided shape with 3 right angles. I need to draw 3 right angles. First I will start with 3 right angles and then I will make a 6-sided shape. Let's start it. So I'll start from here. So I'll go like that. This is my first angle. This is my second angle. This is my third right angle. How many sides I have already drawn? Let's calculate that. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. I need to draw 2 more sides to make it 6-sided shape. Let's join that. How do I join that? Let's join this one and then this one. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sided and I have 3 right angles. There is another ways also to draw the figure. Let's draw one more shape. I'll start from here. I will go like this. I will go like this. So this is my right angle here. This is my right angle here. If I go from here and if I go like this, so this is my right angle. Both lines are perpendicular to each other. How many sides did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. I need to draw the 6th side by joining this. Let's join it. So this is the line we have. I have drawn a 6-sided shape with 3 right angles. Let's see one more example. A 6-sided shape with 4 right angles. Can you draw it? Let's draw it together. I need to draw 4 right angles. So first draw 4 right angles inside your figure. I'll start from here. I'll go down. I'll make a move on this side. So I have 1, 2. How many lines did I draw? 1, 2, 3 lines. I still have to draw 3 lines. So let's draw one more perpendicular, right? So let's join like this. Let's join like this. This is our 3rd right angle. I need to draw one more right angle, right? So I will go one more here. So my 4th right angle is here. I need to draw 6 sides. Can I calculate that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I join this, that will be the 7-sided. That means my shape is wrong. I need to erase that. Let's erase that. I have done the mistake. I have to calculate 4 right angles. So I'll go down here first. So this is my third right angle. Now I need to draw my fourth right angle. Let's draw the fourth right angle here. So my fourth right angle will be here and here. These two lines are perpendicular to each other and I need to extend this line. Can I calculate it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 1, 2, 3 and 4 right angles. So this is the shape I have drawn with 4 right angles and 6 sides. So there are more ways to draw that. Let's draw one more shape. So I'll start from here. I'll go down. I'll go here. So this is my first right angle here. This is my second right angle here. If I go down like this and if I go down like this is my third right angle I have. How many lines did I draw? Can I calculate that first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines I have already drawn. I need one more right angle. So how do I do that? If I extend this line, till here and if I join this here, so this is my right angle here. I have drawn 1, 2, 3 and 4 right angles I have drawn. And how many sides did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. So this is the shape we have with 4 right angles and 6 sided. When you draw that, you need to check your sides as well as your right angles. Then you are able to draw that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.